Today class I am going to explain the topic living world of plants and plant physiology. Okay. All animals and human beings depend on plants for their food directly or indirectly. Okay. Animals move one place to another place for such food, shelter and reproduction. But plants do plan such movement? Say yes or no, all are thinking. Okay. So, do plant move? Do plant move? All are thinking? Okay. Plants does not move from one place to another place, but the body parts can their move body parts for their water, nutrition, temperature, gravity, sunlight, etc. Okay. Sometimes we see the branch of tree shaking in heavy storm, okay, and leaves are dancing in gentle wind. This is one type of movement, plant movement. Okay. Another one, the plant name Mimosa pudica. Mimosa pudica. The botanical name Mimosa pudica. In Tamil name Tottal Surungi, touch me not plant. Touch me not plant. Touch me not அப்படினா தமிழ்ல தொட்டால் சுருங்கின்னு சொல்வாங்க. Okay. The plant botanical name Mimosa pudica. The English name touch me not plant. Tamil தொட்டால் சுருங்கி. This type of plant closes on touching. Closes on touching. Second one, stalk of Helianthus. Helianthus is a sunflower. The stalk of Helianthus follow the path of the sun. For example, morning time it move east to west. During night time it move west to east. This is one type of movement. Okay. Another one, Desmodium cairns plant. Desmodium cairns. This plant is Tamil name Tolukanni. Tolukanni. The another one name dancing plant. Dancing plant. So another one name Indian telegraph plant. The four name. So learn it. Indian telegraph plant. So first name Desmodium cairns. The Tamil name Tolukanni. Another one name dancing plant. Another one common name Indian telegraph plant. Okay. This plant is mesmerizing. Mesmerizing look like a leaf movement is like a dancing. Okay. So it is called dancing plant. Part of the leaf is dancing. Okay. These are the above mentioned movements are external movement. External movement is this. The name is new. So learn it. Mimosa pudica, touch me not plant. Another one, Helianthus. Okay. Sunflower. Desmodium cairns. Desmodium cairns is common name. Tamil name Tolukanni. Another one name dancing plant. Another one name Indian telegraph plant. Okay. These above mentioned the movement are triggered by the external stimuli. Okay. The plants does not move from one place to another place, but can move their body parts for getting sunlight, temperature, gravity, water, light, etc. Okay. Next I am going to explain in detail the one experiment about germinated seeds also. The germinated seeds also grow towards light. the germinated seedlings, okay, also grow towards light. First, Darwin do his experiment. Darwin do one experiment. The experiment about the germinated seed also grow towards the light. Okay. First one, only one leaf is called monocot. What is monocot leaf mean? There is only one leaf. The first leaf is called cotyledon. First leaf cotyledon. தமிழ்ல வித்திலை அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. ஓகேவா? ஒரே ஒரு the first leaf is called cotyledon. The growing embryonic shoot, the growing seedlings, primary root and primary shoot is present. Primary root and primary shoot. The primary root grow downward the soil. Primary shoot above the surface the soil. Downward the soil. Primary shoot surface soil. Okay. The primary shoot is covered by a small sheath is called coleoptile. Coleoptile. It is very important term. The primary shoot is covered by a small sheath is called coleoptile. Okay. Next one, first see the experiment. If in a dark room, one light is placed in a one end. So one end, the growing seedlings grow towards the light first. Okay. Second step, he removed the embryonic shoot, the tip of the embryonic shoot. The growing seedlings does not bend towards the light. The third step, the covered with foil. What is the meaning of foil? Foil, it is a prevent the light entering, that is called foil. Okay. After he covered the primary shoot with foil, this time growing seedling does not bend towards the light. Okay. Next, the fourth step, he covered the elongated part of the stem but does not cover the tip of the embryonic shoot. This time the embryonic shoot bent towards the light. Okay. The first step, he placed in a dark room, growing seedlings bent towards the light. He placed one light is placed on a dark room. First time growing seedlings bent towards the light. The second step, the tip of the shoot is removed. This time growing seedlings does not bend towards the light. Third one, the tip of the shoot only covered with foil. This time the growing seedling does not bend towards the light. The fourth, the part of the stem only covered but the tip open. This time the growing seedlings bent towards the light. So Darwin concluded some influence is transferred from tip to the basal region. Okay. So Darwin concluded that some influences from tip to the basal region. Okay. Again Peter Jansen. Again one scientist name, botanist name Peter. Further developed the Darwin experiment. The scientist name Peter further developed the Darwin's experiment. Okay. First he cut off the tip, embryonic growing seedling stopped. The plant growth stopped. Next, he inserted the agar piece. What is agar? Agar is look like a gel material. So on the side of chemical material. Okay. Agar is placed on the tip. This time growing seedlings bent towards the light. So we concluded this type of chemical is water soluble. Okay. The chemical is this is one of the plant hormone. The plant hormone name is axin. The plant hormone name axin. Okay, this type of hormone is controlled the plant growth. Another one, the coleoptile. What is coleoptile means? A primary shoot is covered by a sheath is called coleoptile. This coleoptile controlled the plant growth. Okay, the axin elongate the embryonic shoot, so the plants bend towards the light side. Okay, the axin hormone is very important for the seed germination. Another one, the coleoptile, the tip of the present embryonic shoot is present, the coleoptile. The coleoptile control the plant growth. For example, the diagram, the tip of the shoot bend towards the light. Okay, covered with the tip of the shoot. Removed coleoptile does not bend towards light. So, we concluded the plant hormone axis is very important for the plant growth. Another one, coleoptile controlled the plant growth. This is a main important experiment, learn it. Thank you.